It's 5 o'clock in the morning. There's no sun outside. It's pretty much all I gotta say on that subject. My flight leaves in about 2 hours. Should probably get all my stuff together. Gotta get there. Yeah. Alright, yeah, let's go. Okay, still no sun outside. As you can see, it's pretty dark. I mean, look at this. It's still nighttime even though it's morning. I should probably get inside to my airplane, shouldn't I? Yeah. Airplanes. Yeah. In case any of my subscribers were ever interested to see what an empty airport looks like. Well, this is it right here. Apparently, I got here so early that there's even no information on the gate signs yet. But I don't think anyone wins when you have to get up this early in the airport. Mizzou International, yeah. I've already gotten several comments that my hat and my shirt are the wrong hat and shirt, but au contraire, it is actually I that am wearing the right hat and shirt, and everyone else is wrong. Your mind is blown right now, isn't it? Yeah, I thought so. My flight leaves in an hour, so I guess I'll just chill and talk to the air. 3.5-hour layover in Dallas. But I got my breakfast, I got my coffee, so nothing drastic's gonna happen. I've actually seen a lot of OU fans coming out to the game, taking these flights up to Oklahoma City. I'm still waiting on mine. Also seen a good number of Mizzou fans coming up here too. That's pretty exciting. It's gonna be a rocking atmosphere up in Norman. Can't wait to see it. Some people are already looking at me weird. I guess I got a video camera out in the middle of the airport. Yeah, hi. How are you? I should probably put this away. Alright, see you later, guys.
This is the final boarding call for Southwest Airlines Flight 1069. Service to Midland. Ticketed passengers should now be on board gate 7.
Well, that's not my fault. Well, here it is, guys. Will Rogers International Airport. Right here, I'm in this lounge. Very cool lounge type place. Got football on the board. Looks like SMU's dominating Memphis right there. We have finally arrived 7.5 hours later. You know, I probably could have like driven here. Probably would have been less expensive, and I probably could have done it in half the time. 7.5 hours. Anyway, I gotta go find my friend Kim. She's picking me up, so see ya. It's a handicap. Hi! We are on the road in Oklahoma. It's Oklahoma. Hey, it's a house. Whoa, hey, stop swerving.
I thought I could like...
I'm documenting your poor driving. I could show this to police.
Okay, yeah, good luck with that, seeing as the police is my family.
Oh yeah, that's true. The police is your family, your brother's a cop. Which makes me the screwed one.
Yes.
Just driving after having the best chicken ever at Ishins in Okarchi. Okarchi? Jamming. You rock it, rock it. Well, you caught us in a pretty bland place in Oklahoma. There are taller buildings. We swear it. The problem is we're about 20 miles away from one. So yeah, at the lunch. It's all good. Just jamming out to the Civil Wars. That was good.
What was?
And then that was your little lip syncing.
That's right.
Theatrical.
I'm telling you.
Performance.
That's right.
That was good.
I should get paid for this. So I mean, like, this is a private performance. How much do those run? Like $100? So I'm ready. I know you got like $6 on you.
I'll give you 50 cents.
I'll go for $1.
Okay, I can do $1. All
right.
I can swing $1.
$1 works.
Oh, there's nothing quite like this. On campus, looking up at the trees. lying on the grass. Grass is pretty awesome. There's grass, there's more grass, there's green things. Green things. Chris. Sitting on the spoon holder. He's still in the sun because he's lame.
Working on the Choco Tan.
The Choco Tan.
What else do you do?
Yeah, that's true. Tanning in the sun is nice. That's law building, I think. Buildings. Buildings.
Art building.
We're standing in Heisman Park, where the statues of Billy Sims, Jason White, Steve Owens, Billy Vessels are all here. And now we have Sam Bradford's statue, ladies and gentlemen, right there, right there. This was unveiled back in May, and I finally get to see it. What do you think, Chris?
With the sun?
Huh?
Good angle with the sun right here.
Oh yeah, definitely. Look at that. Ah. This is an awesome statue. I'm so excited to finally get to see this right next to the stadium. Oh, it's awesome. Yoink! Majestic, ain't it?
It's so majestic. I'm just so ecstatic.
I like how
Nike
there's
symbols everywhere on the shoes.
Yeah, I like how there's a Nike symbol on the shoe right there, if you can see it. They can see this one. Thanks, Nike! Yay, Nike. Alright, bye, Sammy! Here we are! Game day in Norman. This is Chris.
Yes.
Hi, Chris.
Yes. Hey.
We're here. It's like a national holiday here in Norman on game days. I loved it. Missed it.
His hair looks too short.
Hey, look, Mizzou fans. This way. Look at all that crimson. What's your prediction, Chris?
Oh, you, of course.
Duh!
Duh.
Duh! Alright, we are meeting our friend Gary over here. Got tickets. Alright. Boomer Sooner! Look at that. Look at all that crimson. We're not even full yet. Got some pockets of yellow. Some over there. Remember these days, gentlemen?
Yes, sir. I reflect on them fondly from time to time.
In my day, we had a quarterback named Sam Bradford. He was number 14, and he was just something. Let me tell you, he was something. He was definitely something, wasn't he?
Yeah, I'll say. And then I remember our senior year, we were all pumped for a national title run. We all went down to Dallas to watch us play BYU, and then some 29-year-old linebacker knocked him to the turf and broke his AC joint.
I'm still a little deep-seated in denial in that, just a little bit.
And presenting the prize feature.
Oh, you!
Is Leonard.
Oh, you! Oh, you! Oh, you!
The right now invites all Sooner fans to join together in singing our split wall.
Crimson and green.
And you, and you, and you. Yeah, Boomer Sooner! Woo! Sooner victory, baby! Woo!
All right, 2 weeks.
Yeah, 2 weeks. That looks like a 10-point win. Garbage touchdown, Tigers. Hope you enjoyed that. And now we are going to attempt to navigate out of this stadium. Woo! Goodbye, Gaylord Memorial. I don't know when I'll see you again. Goodbye, press box. I miss you, press box.
Ah, that's the press box.
I'll miss you, press box.
There we go.
I'll miss you, big video board.
Actually, I think you hurt the Skybox's feelings. You might want to apologize.
Goodbye,
to them.
Skybox. Goodbye, plain, messy stands.
I don't know how you get cleaned up, but you somehow do.
You somehow do. All right, take care, guys. Boomer Sooner. Oh, I think I stepped in nachos.
Yeah.